Start with your.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Venkatesh Kulkarni, Associate Professor Mathematics. So this is a talk on graph theory, in particular with undirected graphs for 5th semester. So now, as we have discussed early in the one or two classes about graph theory, so the definitions, some important definitions, as I recall, the definition of graph and classifications are like this. That is simple graph, connected graph, next complete graph, regular graph, So here, before going to have define regular graph, so we have to define degree of a graph. Degree of a graph. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So fifth comes complete graph. Next complement graph. So these are the first 6 classification. So now simple graph, if you define simple graph, so now I told you basically a graph is a set. A graph is a set and is defined as G of P, Q or G of V, E, etc. So these are the notations. Here P, number of vertices, Q, number of edges. Another notation, V, number of vertices, and E, number of edges, right? So P, number of vertices, Q, number of edges. Now I will start with examples to make these definitions very clear. So now I will come to the examples, right? The examples are like this. So now the examples are now. For example, if I ask a question, draw a graph, we can say like this, draw a null graph with one vertex, two vertices, three vertices, five vertices. Okay. So now null graph. So the definition is very simple. Null means null set. No elements are there. Here also in null graph, no edges. No elements, null set. No edges, only vertices is called a null graph. Just dot. Null graph, no edges. Only vertices. They may ask the definition also. Define a null graph. What is null graph? Null graph without edge, no edges, only vertices is called a null graph. Now I will come to Example, one vertex. This is one vertex, V1, you can say, or V1. First example. Second example, two vertices. So V1 and V2. Right? Third one, three vertices. Right? Fourth one, five vertices. Which is so students, friends, they may ask these such questions for 2 marks. Define a null graph and draw a one vertex null graph, a two vertices null graph, a three vertices null graph, a four vertices null graph, five vertices null graph. Definition and examples, 2 marks. So as you know, already we defined the graph and its important definitions in the last class. Connected graph, complete graph, simple graph, next regular graph, degree of a graph, etc. etc. Now the degree of a graph is number of edges joined to vertex. For example, degree of a graph number of edges joined. For example, if I draw here, this is V1 and this is V2. It is denoted by degree of V1. One edge is joined, therefore here it is 1. So 1 is joined, so D of V2. So this is 1. So degree of V1 is 1, degree of V2 is 1. So this is like this and this is like this. For example, first, second, if I take a triangle here, how many vertices? 3 vertices, V1, V2, V3. It is not necessary to start from V1 here only, because this is a undirected graph. Even you can start with V1, V2, V3 or V3, V1. You can choose any permutation and combination. Now, what is the definition of a degree of a graph? Number of edges joined by vertex. Number of edges joined by a vertex. Correct? So here V1, this vertex joins two edges. 1, 2. That is V1 is joined with V2 and V1 is joined with V3. Therefore, this is 1 and this is 1. So if I add them, therefore this is 2. So therefore V1 to V. Degree of this V1 is this one and this one. Therefore this is 2. Similarly, if I go to V2, degree of V2. So degree of V2 is equal to, so this joins with V3 and V1. Therefore this is also same. And next, degree of V3. So this is also joins with V2 and V1. Therefore 2. So now you see, if I add these 3 vertices, that is degree of, therefore we can call like this. Therefore, sum of degree of V1, V2 and V3 is given by degree of V1 plus degree of V2 plus degree of V3. So this is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2. How much it is? 6. So 6 can be written as 2 into 3. This signifies that number of edges. number of edges. Understood now? Any vertex joined with another vertex, then its degree is 1. If one vertex is joined with another vertex, its degree is 1. If it joins with 2 edges, degree is 2. Joins with 3 edges, degree is 3, etc. etc. Now here we can conclude that here in this triangle, the degree of each vertex is same. You see, degree of V1 is 2, degree of V2 is 2, degree of V3 is 2. Therefore, in a graph G, if you calculate the degree of each vertex and if they bear same numbers, that is 2, 2, 2, here it is 2, 2, 2, then such a graph is called a regular graph or a 3 regular graph, a 2 regular graph. 2 regular graph means each vertex contributes 2 edges. V1 contributes 2 edges, V2 contributes 2 edges, V3 contributes 3 edges. So here also you see V1 contributes 1 edge, V2 contributes another edge. So therefore this is 1 regular graph and this is 2 regular graph, right? So therefore further we can conclude like this. The degree of each vertex is same, then such a graph is called regular graph. Ignore and test one.